Okay, guys, I got my slime.
You want a burger?
I put bees in it. So I love my slime. My what? Two of my slimes are gross.
What else they got? Chicken sandwich. You just want French fries? That just wants French fries.
And then I put it back in the container. I wish Lala could be over here, but okay, I can bring Lala. My birthday is March the 17th. Yeah. So my bracelet. Don't nobody give me break. I'm scared. Okay. Oh, yeah. This is one of my other songs. That's the top. Oh, this one. This one spot. Two spots. Looks so gross. All the using that sounds so gross. Okay. I colored it pink, but I wasn't the pink that I wanted to be. So, and just stretch. It's so disgusting. But I hope Lala and me make it more better if I went over her house. I'm so excited, but I don't understand what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I thought this is.
Yeah.
So yeah, you just want to blow out. And this slime is so gross. It's a slime. Stringy. Or stuck to that. Get back in there. Second slime. Second slime is big. Big. Same gross slime. Got a lot of water. Squeeze that back in there. This is a big slime. If I mix same color. This, I would say, I know y'all gonna like this one better. Y'all see disgusting? I have to come back on that.